Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. So last lecture we have started our lesson number 15, triangles and their property. Okay, we have seen the different types of angles based on sides and angles, and also we have seen the two important properties of triangle. Okay, so first we will revise that, then we will start our practice set number 36. Okay, so first triangle, we have seen triangle. What is triangle? Triangle is a closed figure that is made by joining three non-collinear points. Okay. Then we have seen about the different types of triangles based on sides and based on angles. So first the types of triangles based on sides. Okay. So triangle having all the sides of equal length, then it is called as equilateral triangle. Okay. Then we have seen that the triangle having any two sides of equal length and the third side is of different length, then we can say that angle is called as an isosceles triangle. Okay, then the third triangle is scalene triangle. Okay, scalene triangle means what? The triangle having all the three sides of different lengths. Okay, so it is called as scalene triangle. Okay, now the types of triangles based on angles. Okay, so here triangle having all the angles, acute angles. Okay, triangle having all the acute angles, all three angles as acute angles, then it is called as acute angle triangle. Okay, then triangle having any one angle as 90 degree, any one angle of 90 degree, that is right angle, then it is called as right angle triangle. Okay, then the third obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means what? Triangle having any one angle of more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle. So it is called as obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Then we have seen the two important properties of triangle. Okay, the first one is the sum of all the angles of triangle should be 180 degree. Sum means the total of all the angles of a triangle should be 180 degree. Okay, and the next property is that sum of any two sides, the sum of length of any two sides of the triangle should be greater than the third side, the length of the third side. Then only we can draw the triangle, otherwise we cannot draw the triangle. Okay, now we'll start our practice set 36. Okay, so first let us read question number 1. Observe the figures below and write the type of triangle based on its angles. Okay, angle, see first triangle PQR. See, you can see that one angle is of 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. So triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Okay, then next XYZ. See, XYZ, angle Y is of 125 degree, more than 90 degree, means it is a obtuse angle. Angle Y is obtuse angle. Okay, so triangle XYZ, okay, is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Okay, triangle having any one angle of obtuse angle, then we can say that triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Then the last LMN. See, all the angles, angle L is 70 degree, acute angle. Okay, then angle M is 48 degree, it is also acute angle, and angle N is also 62 degree, means it is also an acute angle. So the triangle having all the angles as acute angles, then the triangle is called as acute angled triangle. So triangle LMN is also acute angled triangle. Okay. Observe, then question number 2. Observe the figures below and write the type of the triangle based on its sides. Okay, see, in the first figure, triangle ABC is given. Okay, you can see that all the sides of triangle ABC are of equal length. Side AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to AC. See, all the sides of triangle ABC are equal. So, the triangle having all the sides of equal length is called as equilateral triangle. So, triangle ABC is a equilateral triangle. Then the next, triangle DEF. You can see that all the sides of triangle DEF are having different lengths. Okay, are having different lengths. So, the triangle having the different lengths of their sides is called as scalene triangle. So, triangle DEF is a scalene triangle. Then, triangle UVW. You can see that side UV and UW is equal. Okay, so triangle having any two sides of equal length, then it is called as isosceles triangle. So triangle UVW is isosceles triangle. Okay, so you have to write the reasons. Okay, for example, triangle ABC. Okay, so you have to write that all the sides of the triangle ABC are of equal length. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, then triangle DEF. All the sides of the triangle DEF are of different length. Okay, so it is called as scalene triangle. So triangle DEF is a scalene triangle. Then third, UVW. Two sides, that is side UV and side UW, are of equal length. So therefore UVW is isosceles triangle. Okay, you have to write the reason for each of the figure. Also you have to write reasons for question number 1. Okay, like triangle PQR is having one right angle triangle. So therefore it is a right angle triangle. Okay, understood? Okay, so question number 1 and 2 you can do on your own. Now we will move to question number 3. Okay, see here they have given you one situation. Let us read that. As shown in the figure, Avinash is standing near his house. He can choose from two roads to go to school. Which way is shorter? Explain why. See what they have given. Here there is a school. Okay, and here there is Avinash's house. Okay, so we have to go to school. He has two ways. Okay, they have shown it with the help of a triangle. He has two ways for going to school from his home. Okay, so the first way is road AC and the next is road AB and then BC. Okay, he has two ways to go to school from his home. So either he will go from the road AB and then BC, or he will go directly from the road AC. Okay, we have to find out which road is shorter. So first, here's your solution. First, two ways are, first is road AB and then road BC. Road AB and then BC. Either he will go from the road AB and then BC like this, or he can go from the road AC, that is the direct road. Okay, understood? But as for the property of triangle, that sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side. Okay, so therefore AB plus side BC is greater than AC. Okay, according to this property, sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So if he will go from the road AB and then BC, then it will be a long road. Okay, it will take long for Avinash to reach the school from his home. Okay, so according to the property of a triangle, that the sum of any two sides of the triangle should be greater than the third side, means AB plus BC will be greater than side AC. So that is why here AC is the shorter road. So according to this property of the triangle, Avinash should go from the road AC. Okay, here side AC is the shorter road. Okay, understood? Therefore side AC is the shorter road. So Avinash should go from the side AC, road AC. So therefore AC is a shorter road. Okay, first of all there are two ways for going to school. First is road AB and then road BC, and the second is direct road AC. So as per the property of the triangle, sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side of a triangle. So here, according to this property, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Okay, so it means AC is less than AB plus BC. So AC is a shorter road. Okay, understood? AC is a shorter road. So he should go from the road AC. Understood? Next. Question number 4. The lengths of the sides of some triangles are given. Say what types of triangles they are. Okay, they have given you the lengths of all the sides of a triangle. We have to write whether the triangle is equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or scalene triangle. Now first is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, so 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. The lengths of all the sides of this triangle are different. Okay, so it means it is a scalene triangle. Okay, you have to write that lengths of all the sides. See, like this. Here, lengths of all the sides of a triangle are not equal or are different. Therefore, it is a scalene triangle. Okay. Next, 3.4 plus 3.4 and 5 centimeter. So, here in the second 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. See, the lengths of the sides of lengths of the two sides are equal. That is 3.4 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter. So it is a isosceles triangle. So you have to write here lengths of the two sides of a triangle are equal. So therefore it is a isosceles triangle. Okay. Next, 4.3 centimeter, 4.3 centimeter and 4.3 centimeter. Here the lengths of all the sides of a triangle are equal. That is 4 centimeter. So therefore it is a equilateral triangle. Okay. The last 3.7 centimeter, 3.4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. See, lengths of all the sides are not equal, are different. So it is a scalene triangle. Okay, you have to write in this way. Okay. You have to write the reason. Now come to question number 5. The lengths of 3 segments are given for constructing a triangle. Say whether a triangle with these sides can be drawn or not. Give the reason for your answer. Okay. What we have to do, they have given you the lengths of all the sides of triangle. Okay. You have to just check whether the from the given sides we can draw the triangle or not. Okay. See, let us take first one, 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now here 17 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So we have to apply here the second property which we have learned. Okay, that is the sum of any two sides of the triangle should be greater than the third side. Okay, so here see, take this 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15. So 15 is less than 17. Okay, the sum of the two sides is not greater than third side. You have to write, therefore sum of two sides of a triangle are not or is not greater than third side. Therefore, we cannot draw a triangle. Okay, 7 plus 8 is 15, but 15 is not greater than 17. But according to the property of triangle, the sum of two sides of the triangle should be greater than the third side. Okay, so you have to write, therefore sum of two sides of a triangle is not greater than third side. So therefore we cannot draw the triangle. Okay, understood? Next, second one, 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So 7 plus 24, 31 centimeter. 7 centimeter plus 24 centimeter, we will get 31 centimeter. So here 31 is greater than 25. Okay, as per the property of a triangle, sum of the any two sides of triangle should be greater than the third side. Okay, so here 31 is greater than 25. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. So therefore you have to write sum of two sides is greater than third side. Therefore we can draw a triangle. Okay, just you have to write only this much. Okay, so the rest of the sums, that is the rest of the questions, you can solve it by your own. Okay, so this is a very simple lesson, very simple practice set. Okay, so we have completed our chapter number 15. Okay, in the next lecture we will start our next chapter, quadrilaterals. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.